Oh, there's a buzzard coming to feast on the carcass of the groundhog, not groundhog, raccoon. There's another one over there in the other tree. There's two of them anyway. Oh, there's a third one farther back, in the back on the sycamore there. Oh, there's one down there. There's two more down there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Look at them. Look at them go. Oh, there's another one. Buzzards, dudes. Let's see. It looks like they have probably moved. There's a dead raccoon down here at the base of the hill there. I think it's gone now. Well, they've pulled it off into the weeds somewhere. Could be about eight or nine of these guys. Well, you can see the 5 on that limb. And there's some more flapping around. I was wrong. If you look just about where the right angle turn on that wild grapevine is down there, just a little bit up to the left of that, you can see the remains of the groundhog carcass. They've pretty well made short work of that guy. I don't know why I keep calling it a groundhog. It was a raccoon. Hello YouTubers, Joe Kersey here. It's Monday, September 28th, about 4:30 in the afternoon Eastern Daylight Time, and things have been relatively quiet here until just moments ago. As Paul shouted out to me, we have our own bulldozer over here now. I think that's the same guy who was working pretty much all day over at Liz's. You can see farther down the way, you can see the electric people, electric contractors. They've set up one new pole, and then they've pulled some wires. And you can see where they put side braces on 2 poles. So they've been at it today. He's getting ready to knock off. So he's going to go take a leak. He's going to go take a leak. Getting the lay of the land. Well, looks like he's knocking off. It is 4:30. They've been out here, that's a full day's work here. Got a bee flying around my head, of course. So that'll be something to look at tomorrow. Paul got home here about 15 minutes ago. I've been trying to slog through all this YouTube backlog I've had since I haven't had a real good chance to look at it the last, well, day and a half, really. Of course, I watched Tony Pincham this morning, his first installment of his Cornwall vacation holiday. And that's been about it. Probably getting near time here to maybe think about heating up some food or figuring out something to eat. Of course, read in church yesterday with my judge buddy, Henry, and not the Henry across the road, another Henry. And Manuel Twisagy, one of my favorite folks in church. He's a priest from Uganda, and he preached, and he's always wonderful. And unfortunately, we only get to hear him a couple times a year. But he was there yesterday, and I guess next Sunday we get the new interim, a fellow named Terry Highland from New Jersey. I don't know if he's from New Jersey. He's currently living in New Jersey, where he's been doing another interim. And here's Paul.
Hi guys.
Paul's going to go down and check out the lay of the land. Yeah, there goes the New River Electric people. They're pulling out, so looks like today's festivities are over. So we can go into hunker down mode here now. So on that note, I'm going to say, well, no, I won't say bye-bye just yet. I want to show you something here. Paul got us a welcome mat. Obviously something they were getting ready to discard over at his work. So good, great, that'll be fun. It'll be nicer to walk on in the morning in my bare feet when I come down here to open the door and look down the driveway, and that gravelly old rubber thing that we have underneath of it. Still, the rubbery thing has the virtue of being waterproof, you know, so if you track in water and stuff, it doesn't go down and rot the underfloor. Okay, so on that note, now I'll say bye-bye, YouTubers.